There are several companies out here capitalizing off of your personal information and you don't even know about them. Let me explain. I'm sure you know about the popular three, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, but there are many others. And those others identify themselves as consumer reporting agencies. And the sole purpose of these companies is to collect information, personal data about the average consumer, you and I. They collect personal information about our credit histories, our employment, our rental histories, our medical histories, when we apply for loans, when we are written prescriptions, you name it. They collect all of this information. They're collecting this information from various sources, and unfortunately, the authenticity or validity has not been verified by you. So therefore, they have all this information about you in a database, and much of it can be false or fake. And that's where I come in. That's where this video comes in. I'm going to tell you about these nationwide credit reporting agencies or consumer reporting agencies that have collected your information and disseminated it. My goal is to walk you through each agency that you probably have not heard of and show you how to get a free copy of the report that's on record, give you the option to correct it and fact check it, or show you how to opt out to make sure they're not providing ongoing access to your private information. Now that I have provided that preliminary review, let's get into our walkthrough of today's agency. So today we're looking at HireRight, and they're pretty popular, and their website is HireRight.com. However, I am already on the page where we're going to request a copy of a background report. So that site is support.hireright.com/North America. I am logging in from the United States. So here it says request a copy of the background report or testing results. HireRight provides background checks, drug testing, and health screening services. So that's what the testing results are all about. Let's scroll down. You may request at any time a copy of your background reports and any related testing services results, if any, previously prepared by HireRight or active database files maintained on you by HireRight by completing and submitting the form below. So this means if HireRight did a background check on you in the past, they have that on record too. So you may just want to request everything that they have on you to verify its accuracy and validity. Now let's scroll down. Drivers with a commercial driver's license may also use this form to request a copy of your DAC employment history file. If you don't have a CDL, you will not have a DAC employment history file. HireRight will also provide you a list of all HireRight customers who may have received your background report in the last 2 years. That right there is very important. You want to know where your information is going. If you are an Uber earner, you may click here to see how HireRight can help you. Please note, if you submitted your information to HireRight via Applicant Center, you may be able to access your recently run report by following the link in your original candidate invitation. If you are having trouble logging into Applicant Center, please click here. So if you want a copy of your background report file, you're going to click this link right here. Now, if you're unable to access or complete the form, if you would prefer to submit your request by telephone, fax, or regular mail, you require additional assistance, please contact them by phone right here or right here, whatever applies to you. If you're with Uber, here, any other organization, that phone number there. Here's the address, the mailing address. They're in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Or you can fax a request in. Let's scroll down. Okay, for HireRight Canada, that doesn't apply here. And also, while you're on this page, if you do get lost, like here are the breadcrumbs, and you can click anywhere in the menu to take you where you need to go. Now that we covered how to obtain the report, now you have it, you open it up, and it's inaccurate. What do? You can dispute it. If you think there's a mistake in the background check HireRight ran about you, you can dispute it with HireRight. We can only help if the information in our report is wrong or incomplete. We know this report can impact your driving status, so we aim to fix it quickly. However, depending on the details, fixing it may take up to 30 to 45 days. Click here if you want to dispute the accuracy of your background check. So they talk about driving because Uber's included in this, but pretty much if you have a background check that's inaccurate, you're going to click there and submit the dispute. In addition to the online dispute, you can submit a dispute by phone by calling this toll-free number. You can do it by US mail or you can do it by fax. If you're confused about how to dispute, HireRight provides a mini tutorial here. We're scrolling through. So you can scroll through and go through the steps if you need that visual. Now, I need to point out something. We're coming down to the bottom of the page. We're going to click privacy policy and you'll see why. Okay, once we clicked the button, we're taken to the privacy and legal notices section of the website. Now, this is where you're going to go if you want to opt out. You want to opt out because you don't want them accessing your information. So we're going to click here. Do not sell my personal information. Here we go. To opt out of our sale of information to the extent required under California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, please send an email to HireRightPrivacy@HireRight.com. In that email, please provide the following information. Here's the information you must provide. And you let them know you want to opt out. Now, as far as California is where they are located. So they are subject to California law. That's not where you're located. You still can use this email address and follow these instructions no matter where you live if they have your information. And this is how you opt out. They don't make it easy. It's hidden deep into their pages, but here you go. Okay, and I just want to point out this last section to you. Something that is important for you to know is that the CCPA does not apply to our background screening business. We are a consumer reporting agency that the Federal Fair Credit Reporting Act governs. The CCPA includes an explicit exemption for consumer reporting information. However, the FCRA gives you other rights of disclosure and corrections. For more information about that, see the links below. So here are the links right here. If you feel that your report is problematic and they're not resolving your problem, you will contact the FCRA using this link. You have questions about how to exercise your FCRA correction, you'll use this link. If you have questions about their privacy policy, you will use this link. And for assistance, here's the last link.